how to make your first million starting a cleaning business, guys. If you're thinking about starting a cleaning business, great idea. It is one of the lowest startup cost businesses you can start, right? But how do you make your first million starting a cleaning business? That's why we clicked on this video, right? Now, you can go the traditional route, which is what I did. Cold calling, cold emailing, knocking on doors, giving out your business card, giving out your flyers, knocking on doors, going door to door, right? That's actually how I got one of my biggest contracts. My first biggest contract is by cold calling. But there is another way, the boring way that that I don't see much people talking about in depth, is going on procurement sites, seeking local federal contracts, right? Now, what are procurement sites? We're gonna get the Google definition. My definition of a procurement site is a website where there are goods and services needed that are needed, and business owners can go on these websites and bid on these goods and services. So, for example, I'm sure you've heard of SAM.gov. SAM.gov is where you can bid on contracts for goods and services. You'll see contracts, but specifically we're talking about cleaning businesses, right? You will find on these procurement sites, cleaning business owners bidding on janitorial services contracts. That's one of the main avenues that not many people are looking at, and that's where we need to go. Okay, and on this channel, you'll see my videos. I show you step by step how to read these contracts, how to find these procurement websites. I'll leave a couple down below. Keep following my channel, and I'm going to show you bids that are open right now for janitorial services, and I'm going to show you how you can read these proposals, how you can bid on these contracts and win them. Okay? Now, most importantly, if you want to really make some money quickly, another strategy that you can use to make some money quickly is by looking at what was the past awarded price for these contracts. So say there is, like right now, near me, there's a college that there was a janitorial services contract up for bid. It's already been awarded, but we know what was the last awarded price. So say the last company bid $3 million, you already know. So when it comes back to bid next year, that's why I call myself the Terminator. I will be back. Okay, just because I was not awarded that contract that I bid on. Okay, now I know what was the past awarded price, and I will be back to get that contract, to get in on that opportunity. Because sometimes when these contracts come back up for bid, it is your right as a business owner, it is your right to ask the purchaser, the person that is asking for these services, what was the last awarded price that you accepted? You know, sometimes they will in detail tell you that price. Sometimes they will just say, no, we're not telling you. And sometimes there is, you have to request it. They will direct you to request it through a form. It's called, most of the time, a right to know. Some different procurement sites call it a different thing, but it's literally just a request. And sometimes these requests, they have up to 30 days to give you that answer. So stay tuned on my channel where I'll show you how to make your first million starting your own cleaning business, how I made my first million starting my cleaning business. The traditional way, we'll go through the traditional route and the boring way. We break down everything step by step on how to, most importantly, fix your personal credit, leverage that personal credit to skyrocket your cleaning business. Okay? And also going step by step. We don't do fluff videos here, okay? We do detailed videos on how to find these procurement sites, how to fill out these proposals, and how to win these contracts, okay? And of course, how to fix your personal credit so you can leverage that, get business credit, pay for your supplies, even pay for, have just some reserves so you can feel comfortable enough to take some time off from your job and put that time in to your cleaning business, okay? So you can have a stable future for yourself and your family, because that's the goal, right? Having a financially stable future for yourself and for your family. And we teach you that here. We also offer one-on-one consulting. So click the link down below. You can book a call with us, free calls with us, on how we can help you make your first million starting a cleaning business. The traditional route, the boring route, the ins and outs, from the beginning to hiring and beyond. All right, guys. Good luck. Have faith. Bring in the faith. Throw away the worry. Peace.